Myself Sarika Shah. Today I am going to explain modal verb, modal auxiliary verbs. Modal verbs or modal auxiliaries are verbs that are used to indicate the mood or attitude of the speaker. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to, may, might, need, dare. These all words known as a modal verb. Modal auxiliary verbs for permission we can use may, can and could. Tone formal and for request purpose we can use may. May I come in? We want to use can for request. Can I use your pen? Could also using as a request. Could I speak to something? Then sometimes giving advice. For giving advice, we using may, could. Tone again formal and advice. You may take a rickshaw from here. So this is a formal advice. Could. You could take extra classes in maths. Here also formal advice. It means for advice we using may and could. Making suggestion. As a formal tone, we using but strong advice. Which type of advice? Strong advice. You should take care of your health. You should take care of your health. Then ability. Can, could, is a mark plus able to, was were plus able to, will shall be plus able to. We can use these all modal auxiliary verbs for showing ability. If present ability we want to show, so that time we using he can run fast. He can run fast. If past ability, so for past ability we using could. I could sing well. I could sing well. And then is a mark plus able to. Then purpose we using we are able to maintain discipline in the classroom. So here is a mark plus able to auxiliary modal auxiliary verb we have to use. Was were plus able to, this is also indicate as a ability but in past ability. So he was able to run 20 kilometers per hour. He was able to run 20 kilometers per hour, right? Because of using was, this is past ability. Then will shall be able to. For future tense, you know that will shall be always using in future. So if future ability we want to show, so that time we using will or shall be able to. We will be able to impress the judges. We will be able to impress the judges of the competition. So here using modal auxiliary verbs for ability. Okay. Then possibility. For possibility we can use may, might and can. These modal auxiliary verbs using for possibility. Like affirmative possibility if there, so that time if strong possibility, so we using may. The market may not be open on Sunday. The market may not be open on Sunday. Then might. Weak possibility. Here again possibility but weak. So weaker possibility then may. So this time we using the teacher might not allow us to play till late. Can. Can also indicate as a possibility. So here general and occasional possibility. strong possibility is there, so they can pick up a Quran. Then could also using as a possibility, but weakest possibility, the teacher could have forgotten about the class test. So for possibility using, for possibility using may, might, can and could. Now for promise, will, would. Okay, if present and future promise are there, that time using I will give you my book. I will give you my book. We will help them. And if past possibility, so that time we using, sorry, not possibility, past promised. So he would keep up his promise. He would keep up his promise. Then wish, for wish we using I wish there was no homework to do. I wish there was no homework to do. Then must, have to, ought to, dare. This also known as a modal auxiliary verbs. We using need to, need and needn't. So need using as a for necessary to do something. Need always using for positive, necessary to do something. Soft affirmative sentence. If affirmative sentence is there, that time we using need. I need to talk to you immediately. I need to talk to you immediately. Not necessary to do something. When we use needed? When not necessary to do. Soft. You needn't worry about your pet dog. I will look after it. I will look after it. Then could, would, that formal affirmative sentence is there. So we using could for request. Could you lend me some money please? If we want to do any type of request, that time we using could. Then would also formal affirmative request, like would you mind talking in little low tone please? So here we can use could, would as a affirmative sentences. Thank you.